Sundot lang yung kay VP Sara. Do you have any updates on that?
I was talking to Director Santiago this morning. We might meet again tomorrow to arrive at a decision for this.
Sa filing na yun, sir, with DI?
I don't know. We will have to explore all possibilities.
Can we see at this stage the NBA as a strong case?
I cannot say anything because they have not presented to me yet. But we decided to speak about it tomorrow.
Sir, sa inciting to sedition lang, baka may reminder kayo sa publiko na baka naman matakot?
Hindi naman. Res ipsa loquitur. The thing speaks for itself. Yung language that calls for hatred and calls for overthrow of government is not an acceptable language to us because we are under the rule of law. And overthrowing is asking for the people to violate the law. And it's not the right thing to do. Hindi tama yun eh. May pagkakalagyan ka, pag ang tingin mo, pwede mong hikayatin ang tao na magalit kahit na walang dahilan.